Hello, in this video I want to show you how to create new loot filter in Last Epoch. To do this, we'll need to open our settings, move to the gameplay, and then there's a loot filter. We need to click on manage loot filters. Right here you'll be able to click on this plus button to create new filter, and then we can enter the title, description, add different icon and color, click on OK and it should be created. You can switch between loot filters right here. Then you can click on add rules to create different rules for the loot filter, like rarity. So I want only uniques to show up in this example. Then we can add another condition with affixes, and we can pick different affixes for different weapons and etc. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.